California State Senator Aisha Wahab, a Democrat representing Hayward, has introduced a new bill seeking to ban discrimination on the basis of caste. The bill aims to clarify existing state laws and specify that discrimination based on caste is illegal. The move comes just weeks after the Seattle City Council passed a law banning caste discrimination. This is an India Abroad video.
I'm honored to announce SB 403, Ending Discrimination on the Basis of Caste, a civil rights bill. I want to make it clear what this bill will do. SB 403 would clarify California's civil rights law to explicitly include protection against discrimination based on a person's position in a caste, which SB 403 defines as a system of social stratification where each position is characterized by hereditary status, endogamy, social barriers, and other forms of segregation. As a woman of color, I'm incredibly sensitive to the ways in which other cultures, faiths, and beliefs are depicted, perceived, and discussed in mainstream media, politics, and our laws. The movement to raise the issue and protect vulnerable individuals that are being discriminated against based on caste starts in my region and my district. We have witnessed 3 high-profile issues related to caste. 1, the Google whistleblower, Tanuja Gupta, who spoke out about casteism in the company. 2, the effort to add caste to California State University's anti-discrimination policies originated at Cal State East Bay in Hayward, and the ongoing lawsuit against Cisco. What these 3 examples share is they are in relation to organizations and companies. There are countless others who are facing caste-based oppression that do not feel safe to speak up or speak out. As California becomes increasingly diverse, our policies and our laws need to stretch further and deeper in protecting more people from basic discrimination. In fact, the California Democratic Party voted to memorialize the right to be free from discrimination on the basis of caste, thereby making our activism spaces more inclusive, particularly for those in the AAPI community. The NAACP, the California State University system, and many other groups have declared their support of anti-discrimination against caste oppression. And it is clear that this needs to happen in our state laws. The American dream is about coming to this country and living your life to your fullest potential. Seeing people experiencing discrimination and constituents sharing their stories with me, however nuanced and different from mainstream stories, moved me to act in support and solidarity. I will continue to use the great privilege I have of serving my constituents as a state senator by pushing bills that affect everyday people. My bills will center on a framework of balancing power and protecting the most vulnerable. This bill does both. This bill is about workers' rights, women's rights, and civil rights. And no civil rights bill has been fought for without opposition. And my office has already begun to field opposition inquiries to this bill. What the opposition would have you believe is that this bill's effort to provide clarity of language in state law and protection to caste-oppressed Dalits in particular, or formerly known as the untouchables, is in turn targeting a different group of oppressed people. That is not the case. When I look at these 3 cases, the Google case, the CSU system, and Cisco, I see workplaces and a cornerstone of California's education system, none of which are oppressed groups of people. In fact, those are some of California's most powerful organizations. Opponents need to ask themselves why they so strongly want to associate themselves with this form of discrimination. This bill is about ensuring organizations and companies do not entrench caste discrimination in their practices or policies, and to do that, our laws need to plainly state that discrimination based on caste is illegal. I'm grateful to the people joining me today to share their experiences with you all. I hope as you listen to them, you begin to understand that caste is a system that confers and denies power and privilege in order and in scope on groups of people because of their lineage. That, by definition, is textbook discrimination and should categorically be banned.